Hello everyone, welcome to the Miami Apartments in Icon Brickell. We have an absolutely beautiful property here that we want you to check out. Now this property has everything that you need and we're gonna go in and show you. So come on with me as we walk through this beautiful apartment here. And the first thing that we're walking into is the kitchen, which is laid out beautifully. You have all the necessary things that you would want in this property here. And I'm gonna tell you guys that it's set up for you with all the luxury amenities. You can even see that it overlooks the balcony right here through this window. Now, if we take a step back, we're gonna look into the living room here. And this has a perfect living room area if you're going to get together with friends and family. You have a television here that is nicely set up. And look at this view, which is absolutely iconic right here. No wonder they call it the Icon Brickell here. This is absolutely amazing, and we love the way that this property is set up. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you down into the first bedroom. And I wanna tell you, I like the way that this bedroom is set up as well. It is designed for comfort here. You're gonna have a nice king size bed on in this bedroom. And we have this beautiful view here of the bay. Now I can't take you guys outside to look at this right now because they're doing some renovations to make this even better for people who come to stay in this beautiful apartment. Now, if we move a little bit further over to this side, you see that you have a closet, nice closet space here for all of your clothes and everything. Beautiful closet space. It's actually built out so you have shelves and everything to hang whatever you need to in the closet. So that's absolutely amazing as well. Next, what we're gonna be looking at is the first restroom that it has here. This is a beautifully laid out restroom as well. As you can see, we have the his and her sink and a shower in this restroom. And this will be the restroom that will be for common use and for the person in that first bedroom there. So we like the way that this is laid out also. Now we're gonna take another stroll into the master bedroom, which has the in-room suite, and it's absolutely phenomenal as well. So this master suite, primary suite, whatever you would like to call this, is absolutely amazing here. As you see, we have the mirror behind the headboard here, and you also see that it is overlooking the beautiful bay and the city there. You can see both through this, which is amazing here. We love this view from this room. Can you imagine just relaxing and seeing this beautiful view in the master and the primary suite? So we'll take a walk into the in-room bathroom here, which I believe is amazing. It has a lot of space here as well. You're gonna have a closet here, which is wonderful for you to store all of your things. It's fully built out with shelves and everything that you would need in there also. So here we have the in-room suite, which I absolutely love because this suite has the his and her sinks also, so it's perfect for couples. But then it also has the tub if you would like to go ahead and soak, but it also has a separate shower for those who want to get the shower in, which makes this amazing. It has all of the options that you're going to be looking for when you're going to come stay in Miami, in the best part of Miami, in the Brickell area. And if you're going to be in Brickell, why not be in Icon Brickell, where you're going to be able to have all the luxury amenities that you could ever wish for. One thing I love about this primary suite is that you have this view, but you can actually open this window and feel the breeze, feel all of the ambiance of this space, which is absolutely amazing. You see the boats and the yachts that are there in the bay, which is wonderful, and we like this, and you get to see a good portion of Miami here, and this is absolutely wonderful. Can you imagine yourself just sitting here or standing here actually looking at all of this beauty of Miami? So after viewing this amazing, amazing apartment here in Icon Brickell, you're probably wondering, like, how can I get a share of this? But I'm glad to let you know that shares of this property, you can actually start at as little as $10. That's right, this is something that's absolutely unheard of, but because of eEstate and the power of tokenization, you can now get your piece of the pie when it comes to real estate, and especially beautiful properties just like this. So it's great if you just get back to the person who actually shared this information with you so that you can actually get started and actually own a piece of Icon Brickell. So with eEstate, you get access to top tier properties all around the globe, just like this. And you're able to access those properties for as little as $10. So we're excited about offering that access to people all over the globe. We have the right income model, we have the right properties, and you can get the right passive income that you've always been looking for. So the best part about tokenized real estate and participating in eEstate is the fact that you don't have to own any property. What I mean is you don't have to become a landlord. You don't have to worry about any tenants, toilets, or termites. You let the company do everything for you. They're gonna manage it. They're gonna take care of it. And all you have to do is sit back and relax because you're gonna earn consistent daily profits. And that's what members of eEstate love. They love the fact that you can earn true passive income here through the tokenized real estate properties that we have. So what's great about this is that we have a property group with over 50 years of experience that is going out and acquiring different properties that we're able to participate in. And the name of that group is Eli Property Group, and is headed by Mike Hamilton. And he does an incredible job of finding the right properties for us to participate in. And I love the fact that we have a property just like this that overlooks the bay in Miami. So we can say that we earn passive income from a top tier property in Icon Brickell. So what's great about this property is that it is strategically designed for short-term rentals, which means that you're going to be able to earn consistent daily profits. We love that this is set up for things like booking, Vrbo, or even Airbnb, so that we have people coming to stay in this property all the time. And when they come stay, that means that you get to pay. So that is a great thing that you get to participate in without all the hassles of traditional real estate ownership. eEstate was established back in November of 2024, and the official launch happened in June of 2025. And in 6 months, this company has had incredible success. This company has grown to over 10,500 users on the platform. This company has grown to more than 11 properties on the platform right now. And the company has grown to more than 1,200 professional agents that are representing this company around the globe. So we're looking at some phenomenal success. But let me tell you the most important stat that stands out to me. This company has paid out more than $2.5 million to those who are participating in this incredible platform. That's a powerful number there. And you can see that the success has already been established with eEstate. So if you're looking for a place to grow, if you're looking for a place to earn passive income, if you're looking for a place to be involved in the new era of real estate, then this is the place for you to be. One of the things I'm excited about is that we have the right leadership in place. One thing that I've always heard is that success will always rise and fall with the leadership. And we have the right leadership in place. With Brandon Stevenson and Mike Hamilton, this company is being led by some of the best leaders that I have seen. So I want you guys to understand that when you choose a company, you want to thoroughly evaluate the leadership and if they're doing the right things. And what I can tell you from my experience is that this company is doing the right things in the right way, and that's why we're getting the right results. So I want to wrap this all up today and let you know that tokenized real estate is the future of real estate. And so if you want to get involved in something that the timing is just right, then eEstate is the place for you. Come check us out because this is the future. This is a new era of real estate. The great thing about eEstate is that right now we're experiencing massive momentum. We've had some great numbers year to date, but let me tell you, our month-to-month numbers are even better. We have experienced 50% growth of our agent network in month over month. And that is absolutely phenomenal. But we've also experienced 10% growth of our properties. Yes, we actually added a new property recently. But this company is continuing to do exciting things because the revenue has grown over $400,000 month over month. This is amazing, guys. We are in the right place at the right time, and the numbers are telling us that that is true.